Everyone wants to know why. Welcome, folks. In today's video, we're diving into the affiliate marketing world and exploring why it might not be the ideal side hustle for everyone. So, if you've been considering jumping into affiliate marketing, this is a must-watch. Hey there, it's Don here, and today we're going to discuss the suitability of affiliate marketing as a side hustle and explore alternative opportunities for those seeking a different path. Let's get started. Affiliate marketing can be incredibly lucrative, but it's essential to acknowledge that it requires dedication, consistent effort, and effective marketing skills. Not everyone is cut out for this type of hustle, and that's okay. So how do you determine if affiliate marketing is suitable for you? Start by asking yourself a few key questions. Are you willing to invest time and effort in building an online presence? Are you comfortable with the ups and downs of the industry? And do you have a genuine interest in the products or services you'll be promoting? If affiliate marketing doesn't seem the right fit for you, don't worry. There are plenty of alternative side hustle options available. You could consider freelancing, starting a small business, or even exploring other online ventures like e-commerce or creating digital products. To wrap it up, affiliate marketing isn't for everyone as a side hustle. It requires specific skills, dedication, and a genuine interest in the niche you're promoting. However, if you feel that it aligns with your passions and strengths, it can be a fantastic opportunity for passive income. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this discussion helpful in determining your path. Remember, there are alternative opportunities out there if affiliate marketing isn't the right fit for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Thanks for watching.